Okay, so this will be part two of the how to think in visual binary. We just got a review here. We got this is how to visualize 2-bit visual binary code, and then we're extending this 2-bit visual binary code to a 22-bit visual binary code. So here's the first 5 bits. Here's the next 5 bits. Here's the next 8 bits, and here's 4 more. So 5 plus 5, 10, plus 8, 18, plus 4 is 22. We have a 22-bit visual binary code. So we said it was AEIOU, BPMFV, XCHWLDTN, and RSJY. Now this is kind of cool. This is a 22-bit code, but there's 26 letters in the alphabet. Something's missing here. We need four characters, K, Q, G, and Z. How are we going to make that, right? Well, K can be X plus C for K. Q can be C plus W for Qu. G can be J plus Y for G. And Z can be S plus Y for Z. So like this is a phonetic code where geometry and phonetics combine, where light and sound combine to create a code, right? So like we're saying geometry represents phonetics, phonetics represents geometry. And so all we need is this 22-bit code. And you'll find out something about the Friendship Cube that's awesome. The symbols on the Friendship Cube rotate and combine to create this 22-bit visual binary interface code. This is one of the magic. You'll notice that every cube has 6 sides, and the symbols on the cube rotate 4 times each. Done. So watch this. We see this first symbol, right? This piece that I was explaining. This is the first 2 bits, right? So this symbol, actually, like on a square that rotates, you can rotate this, right? So we have these cubes, right? And the symbols rotate. So I've got these cube keychains that I give out to people at the school, and we're actually building this Friendship Cube school group. So anyway, so there's going to be the rest of the symbols on the cube. There's going to be 6 symbols, and the symbols are going to rotate to create a 22-bit visual binary code with an intuitive visual binary code of light that we can use for interfaces. So the other symbols are going to be this symbol. Remember, this symbol will rotate 4 times, and so you'll see that one. This symbol will also rotate 4 times. This symbol will rotate 4 times. This symbol will rotate 4 times. And then this bigger symbol, that will also rotate 4 times. So look at this, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 2. That's 22, right? And so it's a 22-bit visual binary code. And so that is that's the Friendship Cube code. So like we're talking 2 to the 22nd, a visual binary code of light. And so now we can visualize a code from a single cube. So instead of having 26 alphabet cubes, we can just have one with these rotating symbols, right? So one from many. Also, light is faster than sound, right? Light is more intuitive and efficient than sound for communicating. So for example, ground to space, space to ground communications, using light is faster. So we have one from many, light from darkness, order from chaos. So how we can start to visualize this Friendship Cube code, of course, I'll go to visual binary. Here's a little space, right? So 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And just imagine continuing this pattern to 22 bits, right? So to 22 placeholders, right? What we're talking about is a 22-bit visual binary code where lines equal ones and spaces equal zeros. A code where there's a single friendship cube, a single cube, and the symbols on the cube, of course, rotate and combine to create this 22 bits. So some of the cool, I could grab my calculator for next video. I could show you some of the cool math and possibilities. Now imagine looking at this interface. Of course, this layout could be a keyboard. So like they're about the size of your finger, right? The buttons you could press. This could be a keyboard layout for a quick texting app for a smartwatch, right? It could also be a quick texting layout for a smartphone that had applications with the emotive epoch, which is the evolution of the EEG system. Like it's EEG plus, like uploading visual binary neurosignals to computers is going to be a very big, awesome industry with tons of possibilities for academics and beyond, right? The idea of mind over machine, mind uploading, this is cybernetics, this is transhumanism using visual binary math and symbolism. We got a quick texting app for smartwatches is an easy application, but it's bigger than that. We're thinking about a 22-bit visual binary application, and so I guess in the next video I'll show you some of the math and possibilities.